Bearskin, the little bear, woke up with a smile on his face. Today is going to be a wonderful day, he thought. First, Bearskin decided to take a walk in the forest. He strolled along, sniffing the fresh morning air and listening to the birds chirping. Suddenly, he came across a pond. The water was shimmering under the morning sun, and Bearskin thought it would be a perfect place to cool off. After his swim, Bearskin wanted to share his joy with his friends. So, he ran to his little forest friends, inviting them to play a game of hide and seek. The game was a blast. Bearskin was the seeker, and he loved finding his friends hiding in the trees and bushes. They laughed and played until the sun began to set. As the day ended, Bearskin sat with his friends, feeling content and happy. He looked up at the stars and thought, what a shining day it has been, and what a shining life I have. Bearskin went back to his den, snuggled into his warm bed, and fell asleep, dreaming of another shining day in the forest. The end.